Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install a shower tray. Firstly, before you begin, make sure that the space where you want to install the shower tray is flat and able to hold the weight of a person showering. Try this out by standing on the floor where your tray should go. If the floor buckles slightly, then you may need to replace your floorboards for ones that are at least 20 mm thick before you go any further with the installation process. Now you've made sure your floorboards are secure, it's time to cut an access hatch into the floorboards next to the shower tray. This is important as it enables you to access underneath the shower tray later if any maintenance work needs to be carried out on the pipes. Just know that if you skip this step, it could result in your shower tray needing to be ripped out if a problem arises. Since a low-profile shower has no room for pipes between its tray and the floor, you'll need to remove the part of the floorboards so that everything fits properly. Before you blindly start cutting, it's recommended to use a pencil to mark exactly where you want to cut. Make sure you leave a small amount of space to frame the shower tray waist while ensuring the fit isn't too tight. Now, the mixing begins. Pour building sand into a bucket and add the cement to create mortar. When both are properly mixed, use the towel to carefully spread thin layer. Lay the shower tray on the top and press down gently on it. You may find a pair of glass suction lifters to be helpful so you can easily lift up the lower shower tray until you find the right spot. Use a spirit level to make sure the tray is straight and no bumps have formed in the mortar. Just note that the bottom of the tray is already sloped to make sure the water runs out of the waste, so there's no need to tilt it all. Now, it's time to connect the pipes. Use the access hatch you cut earlier to connect the shower tray waste and your bathroom's water waste pipe. You can check everything is secured by pouring cold water through the shower tray waste. If water starts escaping from anywhere, detach the pipes and then try connecting them again. Apply high-quality silicone sealant around the edges and finally install your shower enclosure or screen, making sure it is properly aligned with the edges of the shower tray. Once the installation is complete, wait at least 24 hours before using the shower to ensure the mortar and sealant have fully dried. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.